Welcome in, everyone. We will get started here in just a second. Getting everything set up and ready to roll for our Friday night break. We'll get the Zamboni out, also known as the lint roller, to get last night's Panini dust off of the break mat, and we will start fresh. There we go. Welcome in, Aaron. Welcome in, everybody, to Insanespiv breaks. Not quite centered there tonight. Maybe a little better there. We'll see. There we go. These need to come over just a hair. Now we're a little more centered. Tonight we are breaking Mosaic. Got 5 blasters for you. Mosaic is one of my favorite products. Have not been able to get any NFL Mosaic yet in the retail product. But we do have some Mosaic NBA retail product for you tonight. So, that is what we're breaking. Welcome back to those of you that have broke with us before, and welcome in to those of you that are new with us. I will give you my spiel. Here at Insanespiv Breaks, we show all cards, we ship all cards. All cards that are rookies, inserts, or parallels will be sleeved at a minimum. Most of those top-loaded, or a lot of those top-loaded before they are sent out your way. I will top-load all of the big-name rookies, numbered, sweet cards on camera, but a majority of that will happen during the sorting process. I know you guys have better things to do than watch me top-load cards on camera. If you have any questions during the break, definitely throw them in the chat. Think I missed something? Want to see a card again? Let me know. I'll pull it back out and we will look at it all together live on camera. Also looking for the Genesis Rares in this Mosaic product. So those would be awesome to hit a few of those tonight. More than one would be awesome. Opened quite a bit of this product, was hot on the Genesis earlier in my breaks and have kind of cooled off, so I'd love to see some Genesis tonight. We are also looking for the big name rookies. Sometimes I think if you put the team you got or the player you're looking for in the chat, they seem to show up in the card. So if you are so superstitious, kind of like I am, we will gladly accept those comments in the chat as well. If you have any other questions or anything, put them in the chat. The video is live on the Facebook group page. Will stay on the Facebook group page and will be uploaded to YouTube following the break. Mike is looking for that Timberwolves rookie and Anthony Edwards. I'm not going to jinx it, so I'm just going to say Mike's looking for it, but I'm pulling for you, Mike. My favorite breaks where all the cards are kind of spread out. Everybody gets what they're looking for, and everybody gets the player they're looking for. So Mike is looking for Ant-Man and the Timberwolves for sure in this Mosaic product. We will give everybody a minute or two more to jump in right at 9:30, so scheduled break time. Like to give everybody a chance to see the break live if they so wish. That's how I like to view the breaks that I jump in. I'm going to double check I don't have any eBay messages or Facebook group requests, and we will get started. This is Insanespiv's break number 71 with the Mosaic NBA tonight. We are good on the eBay messages. We are good on the Facebook group requests. And we are ready to break some cards. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. We're going to get ripping. So good luck to everybody on the Mosaic break this Friday night. We got 5 blasters. We're going to start with this blaster. Each blaster should have 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. We should have 4 Mosaic prisms at a minimum in these blasters a piece, but it is the per box on average. Little text on the box, so We'll throw that out there. But other than that, we are going to get started. There's our first empty blaster with the security tag still in the bottom. With these 8, I like to do 4 and 4 to start off with. There's our first 4. There's our second 4. If we don't like the way the cards are looking, we can switch up the stacks. But we're going to go right here and have first pack luck. So good luck, everybody. Usually have the vet bases on front of these packs and then the money cards towards the back. And it looks like we do in this blaster at least. We started off first card of the night, Mr. Tyus Jones for us, and the Memphis Grizzlies. Eric Gordon's going to the Rockets. Our first rookie of the night is headed the Nets way with Reggie Perry. Behind that is our first green mosaic of the night. This one is Tim Hardaway Jr., so a vet for the Dallas Mavericks. Staying on my left-hand side on the packs. Usually get 1 rookie per pack in these unless we hit a rookie on the inserts or parallel slot. Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizz. Thompson for the Celtics. Russell Westbrook with the National Pride for the Wizards is the insert slot. Actually, that could be the rookie slot, so we didn't get a rookie out of that pack, but we did get a green Elevate Aaron Gordon for the Nuggets. All right, Blaster 1. We're still looking for Blaster 1 luck. Let's heat up here tonight. Jamal Murray is going to go to the Nuggets as well. Mitch Robb for the Knicks. We have Jameis Ramsey. Probably not the rookie the Kings were looking for, but he's going the Kings way. And a rookie green is Vassell for the Spurs. This will get us halfway through our first blaster of the night. Haven't seen any big name rookies yet. No numbered cards. Let's get it started right here. We have Mr. Bazemore for the Warriors, followed by Gary Trent Jr. for the Raptors. Rookie is Avija for the Wizards. And there's a nice mosaic will to win, Anthony Davis for the Lakers. So mosaic insert headed the Lakers way. Second half of the first blaster. We have Mr. Clarkson for the Utah Jazz. Tobias Harris for the 76ers. Rookie is Azubuike for the Jazz as well. And Charles Barkley in his thinner days for the Phoenix Suns in this one. So there's 2 vets, or old school vet there in Barkley's case, and the mosaics. Insert slots. Zubac starts us off for the Clippers. Kyle Anderson for the Grizz. Gary Payton, all-time pros. This will go to the Thunder. They are the franchise now known as the Seattle Supersonics. And Hall of Fame Utah Jazz is Mr. Stockton himself, John Stockton. 2 packs left of blaster number 1. We have Elf headed to the Knicks. Bridges to the Suns. Rookie is Nico Mannion for the Golden State Warriors. And we're going to sleeve and top load this one. Normally, first LeBron James in my breaks, no matter what goes on a sleeve. But this is a green mosaic base for the Lakers. So we're going to sleeve and top load the nice green James for the LA Lakers. Put him front and center for now. First card, I think, the best card out of the first blaster, but we got another pack left to go. Macklemore is also headed to the Lakers. We have Schroeder to the Lakers. Tyrese Halliburton. There's a rookie for us. We're going to set that down and sleeve and top load it. And there's an Elevate Bam Adebayo for the Heat. So Halliburton and the Kings are on the board. National Pride Halliburton. So he'll get the sleeve and top loader treatment and join King James on the back row. So there we go. Blaster number 1 in the books. See if we can't find some of those bigger name rookies in blaster number 2. There we go. Here's our packs. We're going to switch it up and try to keep all 8 vertical. The security tag came out with it. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs we have. We're going to rip straight from the front and see what we can pull. Here we have a Siakam again for the Raptors. Holmes for the Kings. RJ Hampton, he has headed the Magic way on the rookie card, and SGA in green mosaic. That pack fell off there. There we go. Start us off with PJ Washington for the Hornets. DeAndre Ayton for the Suns. Vince Carter, all-time great for the Raptors. And we have another nice LeBron James. So that is the second nice LeBron we've got of the night. Nice little Jam Masters and the base Jam Masters for the Lakers. We'll start stacking LeBrons back there for the Lakers. So we got the green base and the Jam Masters. Would love to start stacking the rookies. That's what I want to see. Those big name rookies start getting stacked. Jeff Teague for the Bucks. We have Kyle Lowry for the Raptors. Rookie is Jalen Smith for the Suns. And the green, another Laker. Lakers are on fire in this break with their vets. That's a green Anthony Davis National Pride. All right, Lakers have been cleaning up. Let's see if we can swap it up to a different team. Brooks Lopez to the Bucks. Serge Ibaka to the Clippers. There he is. That's the one the Hornets are looking for. This is National Pride variety insert of LaMelo Ball for the Charlotte Hornets. So LaMelo makes his first appearance of the evening. In blaster number 2, there's LaMelo. We'll put him to the side of Mr. Davis. And we have our first bang of the evening. This is going the Cavs way. It is Kyrie. This is from 2016, shooting it over Steph. Last half of blaster number 2, headed your way. Still looking for that first Ant-Man for Mike. So let's see. We got the first LaMelo out of the way. Let's get the first Ant-Man out of the way. Buddy Hyde starts us off for the Kings. Cam Johnson for the Suns. We have Kawhi Leonard, Finals MVP for the Raptors, and a green Troy Brown Jr. for the Bulls. Miles Turner starts us off for the Pacers. A Caruso for Lakers. Rookie, NBA debut, Wiseman. Yeah, Lakers and Hornets. So Chris has got them both, Lakers and Hornets, it looks like. And he has been cleaning up. Got the LeBron, got the LaMelo. 2 nice LeBrons, 2 nice Davises. We will take the time to sleeve and top load the Wiseman here for the Golden State Warriors. Probably one of the rookies. We had a Mannion earlier, but probably the major rookie the Warriors are looking for. And behind that, we got an old school Shaq. He's on the Magic Holo Fame, he is. So, we are moving right along here. Batum starts us off. He's going to the Clippers. We have Oladipo to the Heat. Rookie Maladon, first Thunder rookie, I think. And Colby White for the Bulls is the green. Last pack. Blaster number 2. We have Mr. Westbrook for the Wizards. Leonard for the Clippers. Rookie slot or insert parallel. Slot is Larry Bird, all-time great for the Clippers. Looks like it's a silver. So this is a true silver. Man, when they're hot, they are hot. This is the silver. Straight silver parallel. Anthony Davis for the Lakers. So the Lakers stay hot in blaster 1 and 2 with the silver base Davis. There we go. We're going to move on to blaster number 3. And see what we have coming out of here. There they are. They want to come out this way, so we'll leave them that way, upside down. Different than we did the last one. Didn't see a security tag in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have. We're going to keep them upside down this time, and we're going to start with this pack. Of course, it's backwards for me and not one to open, maybe. Little different than normal. That corner. Want to make sure I get the cards out cleanly. Try not to reveal the back card, but getting the cards out cleanly is more important. We'll start it off with the DiVincenzo for the Bucks. Kyle Lowry for the Raptors. Not rookie. I keep thinking that that's always the rookie slot. It can be insert. All-time greats. Tracy McGrady for the Magic. And there's another bang. This one is headed the Bulls' way with an old school Derrick Rose from 2015. Moving right along. Draymond Green starts us off for the Warriors. DeAndre Ayton for the Suns. Rookie. There he is. Mr. Edwards did not want to be left out of the party. And we pick him up in blaster number 3 in a base version of Anthony Edwards out of the Mosaic base. There he is, Anthony Edwards. We're going to cover up James in the middle. Lakers have seen enough. I'm joking. But there's a green Paul George for the Clippers as well. So we've got a LaMelo. We have an Edwards. We have a Halliburton. We got a Wiseman. So we're looking for some of the Knicks rookies still. We're looking for Cole Anthony for the Magic. We're looking for some numbered cards too, or a Genesis. Seth Curry for the Sixers. Rashawn Holmes for the Kings. Well, we'll double up on the Wisemans with the National Pride. And there's a silver Nurkic for the Portland Trailblazers. We'll go ahead and sleeve up the Wiseman for the Warriors. We'll sleeve up the silver parallel Nurkic for the Trailblazers. And we're going to keep going in this blaster. Corner there, that side. Sorry, I didn't mean to reveal the back one, but that corner stuck. Started off with Ja. That's our first Ja base for the Grizz. Gallinari for the Hawks. Rookie is Patrick Williams for the Bulls. So the Bulls are on board with their rookie. And Enes Kanter, now Mr. Freedom, is green, headed to the Blazers in this image. Danny Green starts us off for the Sixers. Haven't seen a Maxey either, so still looking for the Maxey now that I called out the Sixers team name. There's a Hachimura for the Wizards. Pritchard, Celtics rookie NBA debut. And we got the Jam Masters Levine for the Chicago Bulls. There's the security tag out of that one. Malcolm Brogdon, he's on the Pacers. SGA is on the Thunder. Desmond Bain, so there's a Grizzlies rookie for you. And Malik Beasley on the green. Saw the Timberwolves logo, thought we got a green rookie, but it's Beasley. Rookie logo on the base would be on the opposite side of the card. RJ Barrett for the Knicks. Diallo for the Pistons. Jerry West, all-time greats and will to win. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. One pack left in this blaster. We still got 2 blasters left. Start us off with a rookie on the front. That's a little abnormal. Is this a sweep pack? We got a backwards card in here with the rookie on the front. Usually tells me it's a little different. We'll see. Doesn't look like we have a backwards card. But rookie on the front is different than all the other packs we have had so far tonight. Either way, there's a Pokashevsky rookie for the Thunder. Bertans is headed to... Does it have an extra card? Extra card, yeah, 5 cards in this pack. So we got the extra card in that pack, probably the Pokashevsky on the front. Should be 4 cards per pack, so we got a little lucky. Let's see if it makes a huge difference. There's our vet base Bertans, vet base Bogdanovich. This is the slot. Rookie is Isaiah Joe and Lillard on the Blazers. So we did pick up an extra card there for the rookie. 1 second. Excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. Picked up an extra card in that blaster. Not gonna complain as long as they don't short us in another one. Blaster 4 headed your way. We're gonna switch it up again with our stacks and go 4 and 4. There's the empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll set them this way this time and see if we pull anything that we haven't seen yet. Still looking for a Genesis or a numbered or a sweet parallel would be nice. We got Nurkic for the Blazers. Ingram for the Pels. Rookie, this one's Precious for the Heat. And silver rookie. So that's our first silver rookie. This one's going the Pels way in Kira Lewis Jr. That is out of first pack of blaster number 4. 7 packs left to go out of this blaster. Start us off with Fultz for the Magic. Anthony Davis base for the Lakers. There's a Maxi. What's behind them rookie Maxi? That's our first Maxi. Is a rookie also headed to the Phillies. 76ers, Philadelphia 76ers. The Green Reed and the NBA debut Maxi both headed the Sixers' way. So Sixers double up on rookies in that pack by themselves. Where's the Pistons rookies? Where's the Knicks rookies? I'm sure the Wolves wouldn't mind another Edwards. Kings wouldn't mind another Halliburton. And I know the Hornets would like another national, or not a national pride, LaMelo Ball. I'm reading the card there as I'm going. Josh Okogie going to the Timberwolves. Irving to the Nets. There's another Pritchard for the Celtics. And Jam Masters Russell Westbrook headed to the Wizards. Get my stacks lined up here. And we will move on with the cards. So there we go. This will wrap up the first half of this blaster. Started off with Mr. Beal, also for the Wizards. Drew Holiday for the Bucks. Steph Curry, National Pride. So that's our first Curry of the night. And a green Garland for the Cavs. We'll sleeve the Curry. And move on to the second half of this blaster. Lakers have calmed down now. Chris is probably ready for another Laker by now. Buddy Hyde, or Healed, for the Kings. That's right, Lakers and Hornets. Chris, I said you were looking for them. Kind of slowed down. We got Oladipo for the Heat. There's a Warrior. That's a Finals MVP Durant. And Elevate Zach LaVine with the line right about there. I don't know if that's a print line or a roller line on that Elevate. All right, here we go. Let's heat them back up with some fire cards now. Miles Turner starts us off for the Pacers. Mike's looking for the Edwards still. Chris is looking for LaMelo and some more nice Lakers. Clippers get a Leonard. Well, we haven't seen this guy yet, so the Magic pick up an NBA debut, Cole Anthony. And that's an Olynyk in green, headed to the Heat. So there's our first Cole Anthony, I do believe, for the Magic. So we're spreading it out, not really doubling up on much. Do have a couple Wisemans, but haven't really hit doubles yet on any of the big names. Let's see if we can double up now. We got Batum for the Clippers, Capella for the Hawks, Obi Toppin, so still spreading it out. There's a Knicks rookie, and Will to Win is Giannis. So that's our first Giannis of the evening, I believe. Definitely our first Giannis insert. We'll sleeve the Toppin. We'll sleeve the Giannis, and that gives us one more pack of blaster number 4. All right, let's hit them all in one pack. Well, we can't hit them all, but hit something we're looking for here in a pack. Westbrook starts us off with the Wizards. Rudy Gay for the Spurs. Tony Parker also for the Spurs, all-time greats. And Green Plumlee for the Pistons. So that wraps up Blaster 4. Here's our last blaster of the break. Thank you guys so much for breaking with us. If you have any questions, you can get me on eBay or Facebook. Contact information also on my website, Insanespiv.com. And we are rolling with our last blaster of the break. The security tag came out with it. We got 8 packs left to hit us some nice cards. We're going to go vertical again. Good luck, everybody. Last blaster luck. We started off with Troy Brown Jr. for the Bulls. Trey Burke for the Mavs. Rookie is Ellaby. Haven't seen him yet tonight for the Trailblazers. And a green. That's the second one of those. Beasley for the Wolves. Started off Kobe White for the Bulls. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Tim Duncan, all-time greats, and another Laker. This is Bang Derek Fisher way back in 2004 for the Lakers. We got Larry Nance Jr. for the Cavs, Gordon Hayward for the Hornets, Naismith for the Celtics, and green all-time greats Jason Kidd and the Mavs. This one doesn't want to open. There we go. Zion makes an appearance. We'll sleeve him up in base form. Joe Harris for the Nets, James Harden for the Nets, and Hall of Fame David Robinson. So there's our first Zion of the night in base form. Rolling towards the end of blaster number 5. KD for the Nets in base. Campaign for the Suns. Dirk is a finals MVP for the Mavs. And green, Batum for the Clippers. 3 packs left. We got KCP in the Lakers, Jared Allen in the Cavs, Jashawn Tate, rookie, spreading the rookies out, not really duplicating much tonight, but this one's going to the Rockets, and, well, Lakers are going to try to finish strong here. There is an AD Elevate for the Lakers. 2 packs left on this Mosaic break. Do have some more Mosaic breaks coming up Sunday and Monday. TJ Warren for the Pacers, Jaylen Brown for the Celtics, rookie Avija for the Wizards, and Russell Westbrook green also headed to the Wizards. Last pack. Then we'll do a quick recap of the top-loaded cards. Have to add at least 1 or 2 here. Giannis for the Bucks, Baines for the Raptors, Jason Kidd, all-time greats for the Mavs, and silver, Paul George, National Pride for the Clippers. So, here is our review of top-loaded cards, kind of spread out this evening. Lakers started off hot, but we had a Cole Anthony NBA debut, a Maxey NBA debut, Anthony Davis on the silver, Wiseman NBA debut. We had the Halliburton early National Pride. And Anthony Edwards is covering up a couple nice LeBron James. First the Jam Master and then the green base. And here's the LaMelo National Pride for the Hornets. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope to see you next time. If you have any questions, send me a message.